Churches and their ministers are leading the charge to take back their communities from violence. They're also opening up their doors to those who just need a chance. For the next 3 days, churches are hosting Indy Ceasefire. Tomorrow from 10 in the morning until 1 in the afternoon, there's an employment and resource fair at the MLK Center on West 40th Street. On Saturday, the MLK Center Indy Ceasefire hosts a gun buyback day from noon until 5 p.m. You can get money for turning in guns, no questions asked. You'll need a valid ID to take part in this buyback. The idea here is to get as many guns off the streets as possible. And then on Sunday, that's Nonviolent Sunday, when many clergy will be spreading messages to restore calm to the Indianapolis streets.